Hi, welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. And I have a new shirt introducing our new brand. As always, it's messy here, but there's an excuse to it because I'm cooking two dishes. It's chicken adobo, this one, classic chicken adobo. And on the left is sinigang na manok or chicken sinigang. Okay, you might not believe that these are prepared in the same manner. The first phase, they stir fry, and then I just separated them to produce two dishes. If you want to know more how to prepare this classic adobo, there's a link here. Very easy. And the same preparation, as I mentioned, for the sinigang, you also have to stir fry. Unlike the fish sinigang, you have to do stir fry here in a similar way as the adobo, and then add water. Tips here on Romulo's Kitchen Garden. Try it! Summary: stir fry the entire batch. Add drops of fish sauce, and then split. Add water for the sinigang, and add vinegar to the adobo. And then continue as the respective dishes require.